I'm going to start by just giving these lovely ivy leaf pelargoniums a mention. They are absolutely glorious. Fortunately, I don't know the name. They didn't have a label on them when I bought the original plants, and they flowered really well all through the summer, and I'm hoping to keep these flowering right until the end of September or even into early October. And the secret is to feed them once a week with a high potash liquid feed, water them regularly as well, and then as soon as the flowers like this one start to go over, we remove them. Just simply snap them off, because then we've got loads and loads of buds that are going to continue flowering. Another plant that needs a little bit of attention at this time of the year is Agapanthus, and these have been in flower for about a month in the garden. They're really, really good as a container plant, and I use them on this little terrace here just to give some seasonal colour, and I've got a mixture of different varieties. This is one of my favourites. This is a lovely one with variegated foliage called Agapanthus Silver Moon, but I've got various ones around. While they're in flower, we need to feed them with a high potash fertiliser that helps to build them up for next year. It helps those flower buds initiate, strengthens the plant, and it also induces winter hardiness, which is really important to get these Agapanthus through the winter. And I'm using a high potash feed for them. Now, it's difficult to get an organic high potash, truly organic, but these are usually made from minerals that are mined or quarried from underground. There's a great big potash mine in North Yorkshire, in fact, under the North Sea. So these are all milled together, and what I need in this is a couple of scoops of this into my watering can. So it's 1 scoop to 4.5 litres, or a gallon in old money. Give that a good stir, and then again once a week I give them a really good soaking. So get that right down to the roots, and if I do that from now right the way through till the end of September, that will build the plants up. And the other thing I will do, of course, is as soon as the flower heads finish, I'm going to snip them off. But you don't have to. Some people like to leave them on because they look quite decorative, but I'm going to take them off because I want all the energy that would normally go into producing seed to go down back into the plant to build it up for next year.